Hey everybody! Tired of jumping between tools just to log in your daily hours? Today, we're introducing the new Plaky and Clockify integration, which brings seamless time tracking directly into your workflow while keeping your projects, tasks, and budgets perfectly synced. Before we dive into how it works, let's talk about why this is such a huge win for your team. First, it gives managers a realistic look at project timelines and budgets by instantly comparing the time you planned to spend with the actual hours logged. Second, it makes workload management a breeze. Managers can see exactly who is working on what in real time, helping to balance tasks fairly so no one gets burnt out. Before we get started, it's important to note that you must have both Plaky and Clockify accounts under the same cake organization. And second, only the board owner can access the time tracking settings. First, open your Plaky board. If you don't have one yet, click the plus icon in the left sidebar, hover over New Board, and create one from scratch or a template. Second is to open the menu by clicking on the three dots in the top right corner of your board. Then, from the drop-down menu, click on Time Tracker. Then select your Clockify workspace from the first drop-down menu. Select an existing Clockify project or create a brand new one right here. Pro tip: toggle the Project is Editable button if you want your team to be able to change the Clockify project later while they're tracking. And last, click Save to lock the connection. With your board connected, tracking time is incredibly simple. You can use timer mode to track as you go, or manual mode to type in your hours later. Let's look at how the timer works in real time. First, click on any item or sub-item in your Plaky board to open it. Then select the Time Tracker tab and make sure you are on the Timer sub-tab. Select your project and task and add any additional details that you need. Click Start Timer when you begin working, and click Stop Timer when you're done. Then, your time is instantly sent to Clockify. The best part about this integration is that it works in both directions. If you make a quick change to your active timer inside Clockify, that change pops up inside Plaky automatically. In manual mode, your company will require specific fields in Clockify, like a project name or a tag. You will see the requirements highlighted inside Plaky. First, select the date, start, and end times. Then, click Add Time. But what happens if you forget to fill in important details? If you missed a required field, Plaky will gently pause and show a clear error message telling you exactly what's missing. Simply fill in the missing information right there on the screen and hit Add Time to successfully log your hours. What if you make a mistake or need to adjust a time entry? Well, you don't have to open Clockify to fix it. You can manage your history directly inside Plaky. First, open the Time Tracker tab inside your Plaky item and scroll down under Work Log to see all of your time entries. Find the time entry that you want to fix, click the three dots on the right side of it, and click Edit. Then, just update the date, the project, or the start and end times. Click Save, and the changes will instantly sync across both Plaky and Clockify. By tracking time directly where your work happens, your team saves clicks and your data stays perfectly accurate. Managers can now jump into Clockify at any time to run beautiful, detailed reports on your Plaky items. So go ahead and connect your boards today to keep your projects on time and under budget. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found it useful and you want to see more Plaky videos, you can always visit our website, or just check us out on YouTube. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.